Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Nooie Cam Pro. These are a pair of 2K security cameras with spotlight. So here are the two cameras. Here's one of them. Each one comes with a sticker over the front, so you just peel that off. There's your spotlight right there in your camera. These are both 2K. This is the wireless hub. So this has a wireless antenna inside, and you have just one plug right there, and then you have the Ethernet port right here that you can plug it in to your network. And these are the wall mounts right here. The screws come in these little bags, so you get two sets of screws right there. You have stickers for the front to let people know that you have a security system. It comes with an Ethernet cable. That's what you plug into the bottom of the base station right there. And this is a magnetic piece, has a square bottom, so you just line it up with the square bottom right here on the bottom of the camera, and it goes in like that. So you can have it mounted like this, and it's adjustable with this piece right here, and it's in there. It's very, very much in there. And you can charge these with microUSB. They're all self-contained. They're wireless. They give you a single microUSB charging cable right there, and you just use your home USB-A power adapter to charge them up, and then they last for a certain amount of time. But if you do want to adjust where this is on your home, you can just pull that out like that. But it's got a very good magnet right there. It's not going anywhere. High winds, it's not going to come off. So those are the two cameras. And now for the specifics of what this whole system can do. So I'm going to scroll over these details, and then they'll be in the description below, of course, on the video. So here is the base station for the camera. It's 802.11b GN in 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Most of them only offer the 2.4 gigahertz. You can watch the videos from the cameras with an iPhone and Android apps. They're IP65, so they're protected against water. The 2K resolution video is H.265 and has two-way audio with PIR motion sensors up to 20 feet, night vision with infrared LEDs, a range up to 10 meters. Field of view is 135 degrees. So if you notice here, the cameras can see 135 degrees. And the battery capacity on each camera is 5,000 milliamps. So that's pretty good. You can do storage in here with the video on a microSD card, or you can store it to the cloud, or both. I would recommend both. And it works with Android, like I said, and iOS. This is the Nooie Cam Pro 2K security camera with spotlight, and they're completely wireless, 135 degree field of view. I like these. You can really put these anywhere on your home that you have wireless signal, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz with cloud or microSD storage. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.